Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove or how to replace the steering wheel on a Dodge Magnum and Dodge Charger, guys. It will be the same for both vehicles, exactly the same interior. So stay with us to see how we're going to do that, and don't forget to subscribe. We have a new video on our channel every day. So what you need to do, guys, you need to unhook the battery first, then let it stay for at least 30 minutes before the repair, because we will be removing the airbag. Okay guys, we unhooked the battery. It's been about 30 minutes. Now if you turn the steering wheel like that with a 10mm socket, guys, right there you can find it. There is a bolt actually, okay, and those are not very tight usually. So go ahead and unscrew that, okay, just like that. And okay, you can actually even remove it once you take it out. You see, just like that. That's what the bolt looks like. Now you need to turn the steering wheel to the other side right there, and there is another one. And as you can see, you can do those only with a socket. You don't even need a ratchet. Okay, so go ahead and remove this one. That will be the first thing that we'll need to do, remove these two bolts. Okay, almost there, almost out, right there. And now guys, what you need to do, you need to just grab the airbag. Be careful, the wires are still attached, and you need to disconnect the wires now. Okay, now this wire, there is a thing that you need to lift up right there. Okay, pull it out and be careful, don't drop it like we did. And now those, you need to squeeze those things in, okay, and pull it out. Never twist them, just pull them straight up. Okay, and that's the wire holder on the boat, and guys, that's the airbag. Okay, now guys, we need to disconnect that wire right here, that white one. So you need to press down. Okay, right here you need to press down on this one and pull it out. That's where it goes. Okay, and what you need to do now in order to remove the steering wheel. Now with a 10mm Allen wrench, guys, one person needs to hold the steering wheel, the other one, okay, need to take it off. Okay, almost there. Okay, that thing is super tight. And go ahead and remove that one. You need a big brake over bar because those things are super tight. Okay, and you want to position your steering wheel up so you don't get confused. We'll show you cannot mess it up, but just in case, that's what the boat looks like. And there is thread lock on it, so when you install it back together, you will need to apply thread lock. Now you need to pull it out, and you can see that arrow right there where it's pointing. Okay, it's aligning with the one underneath right there. Okay, just pull it out, feed the wires through the little hole there. Okay, and we're almost out with pulling the steering wheel out, guys. Okay, let me show you right here. So that's how you guys remove and replace the steering wheel on a Dodge Charger or Dodge Magnum. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.